Good. Sideways. That's right. That's why I stopped. You want to bring it over this way a little bit? Just the back tires I want to go over. We're ready? Yep. All right. I'll put my safety belt on when we get out. And we are on the way to the glass place. This is the Falcon. Well, he's really covered up. It's been a while.
You know Frank Seraphin?
Yep.
He's a friend of his.
I just did his Nova.
Yeah, but this is a Falcon, not a
I
Nova.
know what it is.
What's the motor?
347 stroker, fuel injected.
Oh.
Wow.
It was a 502 or 5 liter?
5.0 out of an 89 Cobra Mustang.
Oh.
that I bought with 21,000 miles on it, and come to find out it had 321,000 miles on it.
Oh,
So it went to a buddy of mine's, and it ended up to be a 347 stroker. Dynoed at 518.
that's gonna be fun.
Too
It'll be
much.
fun.
So what
You
are
think
gonna-
so?
Too much for
What are
this
you
little
gonna do with
car.
this car?
Why do you think so? No.
I don't want to twist it.
What are you gonna do
Oh,
with this
okay.
Just drive it. This has been in my family since pretty much day one.
Yeah, this is just like a Maverick.
Yeah.
It's a unibody. They actually built the Maverick on the Falcon frame.
Yep. This is a 63.5 Sprint. So it was originally a V8 car, 4-speed car. 5 lugs instead of 4 lugs.
Okay.
Posi rear end. It's a Tremec 5-speed now. All the interior is original. The car's original except the color. I changed the color.
And the motor.
The original 260 V8
Oh.
sitting right there.
All right.
7 miles on it.
Whoa.
Yeah.
We're here at Pleasant View Glass to take a look at the 49 and see where we're at. So let's take a look. So did you cut the glass?
No, the door glasses?
Yes.
And the vent glass, yes. That's all brand new flat glass.
And you've already done that?
It's all cut.
all
Everything is cut. Vents are all in. The door glasses are sitting over there. I'm ready to pound on the channels that came from Oregon.
Okay, yes.
So they finally came.
And the thing from steel, did that come?
Yes, steel rubbers came.
Right.
So that's all set. That's actually what I had to put the back vents together with that material.
Okay.
And now we're doing the doors, the felts. The felt on the inside door trim, that's all on, right here.
Okay.
And, you know,
How'd you do the staples?
actually there's no staples on there. There's actually screws from the screws that I found in there, and there's holes in here.
Outstanding. Outstanding.
And then I bent them the same way they did, cut that off and bend them so they go around the corner and
All right.
lock into the trim.
All right.
Tell me that again?
Bent the corners so they lock into the trim.
Oh,
Instead of just cutting them off. I kind of like to tuck them in there and then they lock together.
Sure.
And I built new,
T-bolts.
they
Yeah.
weren't long enough, so I actually took them apart and put them back together with longer bolts with actually there's nuts on the inside. So
isn't that beautiful?
brand new windshields I found on the
really?
shelf.
On the shelf is amazing.
It took me 2 hours to clean them.
Oh,
Oh
yeah.
my God. It was amazing. But I found them. I couldn't believe I found them from my supplier. So,
So any difficulties at this point, or?
no.
I know the felts on the inside, you asked me to ask if they had them. They didn't have them. So what are you doing for those, the felts that go on the little rollers in the windows? Down inside?
Probably nothing. All they are is kind of like a guide to keep the grease moving in there.
Okay.
So, down in there, the
Yeah.
rollers.
Yeah.
I might have some in my bag of tricks.
All right.
So, I
Because,
pulled out a lot of stuff from my bag of tricks.
I bet.
It's all good. All these are brand new. This is all bent going up in there. I gotta do this one yet.
Those clips help? No?
No,
Send them back?
yeah.
Good,
I-
because those are $4.95 a piece.
They're sitting over there, so when I get all done, I'll put everything back in the box that I did not use, but they were pretty much the only thing I didn't use.
Yeah.
Each one of these vents took me about an hour to take them apart because you either gotta take this rivet out,
Yeah.
get this on, or a lot of guys will slice this.
Yeah?
I don't like slicing it because it's part of the gasket.
Yeah.
So I took the rivets on the back side of this apart and put new rivets in and then put that back over it.
All right.
Those are just super time consuming. But other than that, it's going together
Does
nicely.
does this back one open too though?
Uh-huh.
Oh,
Yep.
wow.
Actually, it's just sitting there.
What a cool car.
It is.
Yeah,
It's a solid car. It's solid.
it is. There's no rust in it.
No, it's a solid car. Inside trim's all done on there, in the front, the back, if you want to take a picture of that. All that's
How do
in.
I do that? Okay. Get out of there.
I'm gonna cut that top bolt off because I had to have a long one up there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cut that off so you don't see it, but you don't have, there's no centerpiece for the inside trim on this.
I don't have it, or
Yeah, you don't have it.
okay.
And do you really need it?
No, not to go drag racing.
You don't need a rear view mirror, right?
Nope,
Yes, we do.
Oh,
but I'm gonna put one in.
yeah. So that,
I need to be able to back up.
you can actually hook that in up there.
Well,
That's
no,
where it
there's
hooks
holes.
in.
There's
Yep,
hole- Yeah,
yep,
I have the rear view mirror for this.
okay. I don't know. Don't
Okay,
follow in my puddle.
just remember it's loud. When he starts it, it's loud.
Okay. We like that.
My whole rear is very loud. Sorry, that's all I could get out of there without just not paying attention to what I was doing.
Well, she's back from Pleasant View Glass. We have glass in all the windows now. The windows roll up and down. I think we accomplished what we set out to do in that we got glass all the way around. We're just about legal for going racing. If you enjoyed this video, there'll be more.